The moment you enter a bedroom, what is the first thing that catches your attention? 95% of people would answer it's the bed. A bed does more than to provide you with the space for comfort. It defines your personality. Gone are the days when a bed was just another piece of furniture in the bedroom. In the modern age, a bed redefines the room decor and plays the biggest role in designing the interiors of a room. This blog gives you an idea about wooden bed designs which would suit your style and add a new dimension to a bedroom. King size versus queen size. Your bedroom is extremely special. A spacious bed can make it even more special. Whether a king-sized or a queen-sized bed would fit in your room depends on the available carpet area. For a start, a standard king-size bed is about 193 cm wide and 203 cm long. A queen-size bed is about 152 cm wide and 203 cm long. And measure the available space where your bed can sneak in. While king-size wooden beds are good for master bedrooms, queen-size wooden beds are appropriate for guest rooms. Check out your room with the virtual 3D room designer to get a real feel of how your room looks after placing the bed. Platform versus storage bed. Together, platform and storage beds account for over 80% beds found in bedrooms. A platform bed is a four-legged bed, often without storage facilities. Since platform beds are lower in height, they are ideal for children and old adults. Storage beds, on the other hand, are taller than average platform beds but offer amazing flexibility to store things that would otherwise spoil in the room decor. Because of the extra low bearing capacity of storage beds, bed frames made with the Shisham wood are considered the best. While a platform bed can give your room an elegant appeal, a storage bed is best suited when you are tight on space.